Welcome, everyone, to this chat on the future world of artificial intelligence, a topic that's buzzing around our daily lives and transforming how we work and
Yeah,
learn.
absolutely. So, let's start with the basics. AI essentially is about giving machines the ability to think, learn, and make decisions like we do, right?
Exactly. It's like we're teaching machines to become smart. Think ChatGPT, Siri, and Google Assistant.
Right.
They're not just tools, they're part of our routine, from mobile apps to content recommendations.
And speaking of content, it's interesting how, you know, creative professionals rely on AI, like generating ideas or even writing scripts.
Yeah, all the time, really. It handles repetitive tasks so that we can focus on the creative side of things. It's like having a super smart co pilot.
hmm But then, doesn't that raise concerns? I mean, some folks worry that by offloading repetitive tasks, we're kinda letting our creativity go to waste. Or worse, that AI might even steal jobs.
I get where you're coming from, but it's more about transformation than loss. Sure, some jobs may change, but new opportunities pop up. It's like reskilling for a new era, using AI as a tool rather than a threat.
Yeah, I see your point. But isn't that a bit too optimistic? Not every industry or person will adapt that quickly.
That's definitely a valid critique. It all hinges on how we manage the transition and integrate ethical considerations. Humans still need to be at the helm, steering AI in the right way, not
Right,
being
exactly.
overwhelmed by it.
And what about education? I've heard AI is turning into the ultimate study buddy, helping with homework, taking notes, even answering questions.
Absolutely. Students can benefit a ton. Imagine having a tool that speeds up your study process, making learning more interactive and engaging. But it's not about replacing learning, it's augmenting it.
Yep, that's a refreshing take. And for content creation itself, like for scripts or even video editing, it sounds like AI is an indispensable aid.
Right. It can, generate ideas, assist in organizing content, and even help edit videos. You still inject the creative spark. The AI just helps cut down the time on routine stuff.
So, in a way, it's like we're partnering with AI rather than working against it. It's almost like having a roommate who helps with the mundane chores while you focus on the fun stuff.
Exactly. It's like having that smart roommate who's there to make life smoother. You still decide the party playlist just with a bit of backup on the cleaning.
Yeah. And the potential, it's insane, right? Beyond content creation, AI is touching fields like programming, graphic design, and even music composition.
Absolutely. The possibilities are endless. From building new apps to composing music, it's all about enhancing our creative prowess if we embrace it ethically.
Right on. So, summing it up, AI is a massive blessing, provided we as a society use it wisely and adapt to its changes.
Spot on. As long as we're mindful of ethics and continue learning, AI will consistently help us stay smart and curious.
Yeah, it's been an invigorating exchange on how AI is not just shaping our technological landscape, but also our everyday lives. Thanks for breaking it down.
My pleasure. Remember, embracing AI opens doors to creativity and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.